Okay. What will be the chapter? Okay. So we are asking about discussing the assignment operator. So it will be like that. The second one, assign operator, it will be add and then assign. Okay. So you can write that adds the operand on the left and right side, means adds the operand on the left and right side, full stop, assign the value on the left operand. So you can also doing that just like. So arithmetic operator will be plus, minus. I have not demonstrate this. Okay. So comparison operator would be this. This will be comparison operator. This will be comparison operator. So just like that. Write a what is a function with parameter and function with return type. Give a
Sir, one
suitable.
second.
Yes.
Sir, you said some definition for comparison operator. Sir,
Oh,
assignment operator, sir. Can you tell again, please?
assignment operator.
Yes, sir. It assigns the value of the that time the connection is cut.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm repeating it. List of minimum two example of assignment operator. Assignment operator would be like single is equal to, that will be demonstrated, and then plus and is equal to. So what about the plus is equal to? Add and assign. Okay, first you write add and assign, then demonstrate it. It adds the operand on the left side and right side, means I plus is equal to 1. That means
We can write sir I is equal to I
I
plus 1.
plus 1. Okay. So adds the operand on the left side and right side, assign the value on the left side operand. See, I am demonstrate this line into this example. So this will be the plus and is equal to. Okay, and this will be the comparison operator, is equal to is equal to. You can write like this: return true if two values in both sides are exactly same. You can also write that. And return false if two values in both sides are not exactly same. You can also doing that. And this will be the comparison operator. What will be written? You can write it. Return true if return true if the value in the left side is greater or equals to the value in right side. You can also write that. Okay. So these things will be done. Now, all of you done the fourth question. That means what is a module function? Give example. What is constructor? Write down the property of a constructor. Done, na?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Done.
Okay.
Done, sir.
I am asking that what is a function of parameters and what is the function with return type? This question is needed to be repeat to discuss these two things from all of your side. Please tell me. Function with parameter and function with return type.
Is
The function of the parameter is a function that accepts one or more input value.
Again, Mehul. Sorry, Sam.
So it's a function that accepts one or more input value. The function
Yes, obviously.
and a function return is a function that not only perform a task but also return the value. It
Means
works.
in the function with return type, we emphasize or we getting the value for the further operation.
Yes, sir.
no, sir.
In
In
the
function with parameter,
No.
there is no need to return the value.
yes, in function with parameter is no return the value, but in the return type, we also use it for the further operation. Okay. So
Yes.
that is a little bit confusion. So I am asking about this. Any of you, if it is need to be discussed, please tell me. When we want, yes, tell me.
The parameter is not that we give one or more input and then get more
Yes,
and more output.
we want to give the input in the function.
Yeah.
Then we
And then we give
go
the
and accordingly our input, according to our arguments, we can get out the output. But
Yes,
when
sir.
we want to get an output for further operation, okay, that means we just return. Means
Yes, sir.
whenever, okay, just a minute, I am showing it. Just okay, first.
For example, if we are given like add A or B,
Yes.
then we give the result
Add
A plus
A
B.
or B, C is equal to A plus B, then you should write return C is equal to A
Return
plus
result.
B.
Yes, sir.
Return C is equal to A plus B. But whenever function with parameter, you just simply print A plus B. No need to return A plus B.
No, give the
Okay.
right answer C.
You is just get the direct answer. But whenever you return C is equal to A plus B, it will like that we use the value of C in further operation. Okay, so first of all, I am showing the return function with return type. Okay, class sum def add self. Okay, I am short writing about it. Then A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6. Then about C is equal to A plus B. Then return C. Then S1 is equal to some object create. See, we create object outside the class, not inside the class. So that thing will be function. This will be function. Okay. So S1 is equal to sum. Then we create again the function call like S1 dot
Sir, we
add.
can call outside without creating another function.
Yes,
after
yes,
the
yes,
object.
yes. Obviously, you can do that. S1 dot add also there. We store S1 dot add in another thing P. Print P. Sorry, not is equal to print pre. Then okay. Again like Q is equal to C plus P. So here after C is equal to A plus B, we return C for Y for the further operation. But here, if we don't write these two lines, just print A plus B. It will not showing anything, directly shows the answer. So this thing will be called function with parameter, and here also the parameter also given after self like A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, also given here. Okay. And then these things also happen. If we not given here, you should like write in this also, just to print A plus B, not return the value and store anything. But in function with return type, we choose a variable, store it the value, and then return for our further operation. So this is the difference between function with parameter and function with return type. Actual directly we are not accepting the questions from these two, but in the future property on future MNC companies working, it will be very much needed, function with parameter, function with return type. Now this thing, this number 5, okay, copy, move on to the coding area. Just a minute, I'm sharing it. Okay, sharing, stop sharing, again sharing. Okay. 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 Oh, sorry. See, this will also be error. Why? Can you tell me this is also be error? Why?
So capital P, we need to
Okay.
have small
So
p.
that means Python is a case sensitive.
Yes, sir.
It is okay. Okay. Just a minute. PCS Global is our company. Okay. Print string, string print. Print string 2:9. 0,
Like from the S
0,
and
1, 2. That is
0D.
starting from the S. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stop before the 9, as I told. So 2 is 8. This will be the answer. Then 0, 1, 11 is to 2. 0 is the starting value. And 11 minus 1 means in the 10th position it will be stop. 2 is the step count. Okay. P P1 P2C 1 C2S 2. That means step count P2S is 2. So P, then S, then 1 or 2, G, then L or O, O, then B and A. So this will be A and stop there. Okay. Minus 2 is to minus 7. It shows nothing because this will be minus 1. This will be minus 2. And considering that purpose, it will not increasing like that, and here something error happens. So it is shows just simply blank, not showing that output. Print string start to. Okay. I'm giving questions star, plus, minus, all of the above. See, star also use in the string operation because it's repeating the string.
Yes.
PCS Global is our company. PCS Global is our company. So this is the answer for this. Okay. So we can move on to the question part. Find out the output of the, okay, done. What is the lambda function? Give an example. Which operator is used as an string repetition operator? Which operator is used as an string repetition operator?
Star, sir.
The star.
Star.
Yes, star. Define hierarchical and hybrid inheritance and suitable example. Okay. Difference between compile time polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. Okay, so to specify empty body of a for loop, we will use dash statement.
Pass.
Pass.
Yes, pass. And star A, star, sorry, percentage of capital A, percentage of small y, percentage of capital I, percentage of capital M. Tell me one by one, what will be the percentage of capital A?
Workday name as a local full name, like complete
Yes,
Sunday,
it
Monday, like
means
this.
complete local, sorry,
Full-
complete local weekday name Small y means
Year
year
with a century.
with century dot zero padded means 00. 2023 means 23. 2022 means 22. Just like
22.
that. Percentage of capital I. What will be this?
12 hour clock as a zero
Means
budget.
12 hours clock.
0, 1, 12, 0, 2, 11. And in the percentage of H, not here, it will be 12, it will be 24,
24
11
hours.
is on 23. And percentage of capital M like minute, it will be 0, 0, so just like 0 padded decimal minute.
0, 1, 0, 2,
1.
like that.
605.
So this is the past written questions and answers. Now move on to the coding. Okay, so I think you will be facing troubles in the decision control system means 1 minute. These two, 12 and 14. I think these two is your main query, right? Everybody tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means the thing 12 and 14. Okay. So any of you who have completed 12 and 14 number, tell me.
Sir, I have done 14. Like, I have to write first, enter the number of the rows, and then uh, uh, do the for loop for I in range I comma I n plus 1,
Okay.
and then in the for j in range,
Now, first of all,
then
tell me what actually this 14 number question have to shown means what actually we have to get the output. What will be the output or what will be the output looks like? Anyone? Gayatri, Sandeep?
So it's look
Yes,
like
sir.
a Pascal triangle, but not exactly it's a Pascal triangle. I thought so. I think
You do it. You do it, Gayatri.
so but it shows errors.
Okay, first of all, tell me how many of you exactly understand what actually this coding wants to give or get as the output.
I understand, sir.
Okay, Sandeep, tell me then what actually this means.
Actually, this means we have to take a input from a user
Yes, yes,
like 4 to 5 inputs, and
yes,
from them be given the output that how many prime numbers and how many composite numbers are there
yes,
that user have entered.
yes. Actually,
Okay.
whenever create this, after run the program, enter your number. Okay, this will appear to the user. You put 2, then again enter your number 3, again enter your number 10, just like enter your number minus 40, anything. Again enter your number 15, again enter your number 18, then again
For stopping,
97.
we enter -1, sir.
If anyone put the -1, the whole process will be stopped and just giving us the output total composite number and total prime number. Okay. So for that, I am sharing my screen, what actually the code looks like. Okay. Okay. This. Just a second. Control plus C plus. Not impossible. Okay. Okay. No issue. So this is the code. Okay. First of all, T underscore P means total prime. T underscore C means total composite. I am just taking this variable. And just like palindrome number, I am initially stored the value 0 to them. Okay. Then while 1, that means starting while, because the number should be start from 1 or something else, we just putting here 1, as a random variable. Okay, then we want this num, taking a variable num, into input, enter the value you want, passing the message to the user. If num in the while loop, okay, if num is equal to -1, it will break. Okay, then it will count is underscore composite the count total number, but here initially we store the value 0. Again it will start for I in range 2 comma num. Why? Because I already ran taken the variable 1 here for starting the condition of the loop. Okay, so for I it will range taken from 2 is equal to num, the number we have to input here. That means 2, let's take in 4. If num divided by I, 4 divided by, okay, modulus taken is equal to 0. Yes, is underscore composite 1, the number of composite increase. If is composite t underscore c plus or 1 means assigning the value, sorry, here assigning the value after finding the result 1, then it will assigning the value. Okay, if is underscore composite t is underscore c plus is equal to 1, assigning the value to the total composite number 1 already found, else the number will be the prime number, so it will give there. Now just print total composite number t underscore c, total prime number t underscore p. I'm repeating again this code. This is a little bit tricky code. I am just want to inform all of you. For that reason, I am giving it. First of all, okay, these two will be initially we store the value total prime number, total composite number. Then starting with the while loop, initially we take in a random variable 1 because we want to check the range after 2, or you can say from 2. So for the 1 we already taken here. Anyone tell me prime or composite number we want to count, why we taking 1 also? There is another reason. There is another reason why we taking here 1. There is another reason.
1 represents true. So
Yes,
we're
yes.
essentially doing while true.
So one is either we
Is
can
it
say
because
one is
1
either the composite number or prime number because it's divisible by 1 only.
First of all, tell
That's-
me 1 is a prime number or composite number?
It's a prime number. So
Search in Google. 1 is neither prime, neither composite number.
Yes, that's
in
Yes,
Python
what I
1
want to
means
say. That
true, sir. So we
we can
set
say
while
either
because true.
one is prime number now composite because
Yes.
only rarely one only.
So that means I already taking 1 in the while loop in that portion. Okay, and then starting our num condition, enter the value you want. Okay, if num is equal to -1, then break. Is composite, then stored is composite is equal to 0. Then we start from 2. Okay, then we start from 2, range starting from 2, and then the value we input num. If it will be 97, 20, 31, what would it will be like that? Find out the remainder. If remainder would be 0, that means divisible. The is composite will be increased +1. Okay, so that's how the number will be counted. If it will be 45, then again it will be 1 composite value. No, sorry, not composite value. It will be 0 because is composite will be totally 0. If it will be 46, then it will be composite value 1. If it would be 47, composite it will be prime. Okay, so not composite value 0. It will be again 0. If it will be 48, then again composite value 1. Before it will be prime composite, it will 1 0 0. Sorry, the little bit confusion. Just a minute. I'm making the chart.
Sir,
Prime, yes, Sandeep.
sir, is it important to take one as a parameter while giving condition? We can write while true
You
because
one
I
thing,
have done.
yes, you can also do like that. I am saying about it. You can also do like that to accept the one value previously, or as you see, you can try to fill up the code with one value is true, like you do, Sandeep.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
You
Okay.
can also do that. Okay, I'm just
Okay.
one code is different types you can made. I'm just giving the
Yeah, right.
example. Okay, so if y in range means you put the number 46, 2 comma 46 num divisible, yes, the divisible is 0, so composite number means composite 1 prime 0,
One.
then 47, then prime 1 composite 0. So that's why it will count, not 1 then 2 then 3. So that's why if it will be 48, then this one is 1, this one is 0. If it will 97, prime 1 composite 0. So just like that it will counting. Okay, it is counting just like that. So if is composite means composite number comes upon, it will increase the uh, starting or initial value of total composite number. If it is not is composite, okay, it will increase the total prime number and then just message passed to find. So this is the example. As we mentioned in the question that if you entered or encountered with -1, it will break. You can also make this system just randomly as your wished number. It will be 2, it will be 4, it will be 3, okay, as your wish. System will be prime or composite, and that not issue, but you can make the system as your wish. So this is the question. And one more thing, the sequence question, just a second. Okay, so this is the sequential question. First of all, int input, enter the value you want, 5. Let's take in 5. For I in range 1 comma n plus 1, that means I dot dot in range 1 comma 6. Okay, so what it will be count? It will count 1 dot 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 from 5 to 5, not 6. Okay, last value -1. Just a second, guys. Okay, so then for again we starting a for loop. Okay, nested for loops here we created. For k in range n means 5 comma I, the putting value we're taking here, -1. Why? Because of -1. Because when we do write that, see, in the previous one step less it will print. I think you understand what I'm trying to say. 1 1 2 1. Okay, then again in the next step increase one step from the previous, or you can say the previous step will be -1 from the next step. So that's why I'm
Yes.
writing here. Then print, and this is the simple syntax for printing horizontally. Then for j in range 1 comma I plus 1 means if we taking here putting 5 for taking here 1, that would be 1 comma 2. Okay, if I is equal to 1, it will be 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 means these things will be print the number. Okay, these things will be print the number. For m in range I minus 1, then 0, then -1. What it actually do? It actually do these things. Okay. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
There
Yeah,
is
sir.
a
yeah.
current. Okay, there is a current. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so first of all, I'm showing the output, what it looks like. Codes 1. Current. Okay, enter the value you want, 5. Okay, this is the answer. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1. First things we put a number, how many steps. For I in range, these things will be for the step count. Okay, these things will be for the step count. For k in range n comma I minus 1 means 5 comma, if it will be 2, it will be putting 3. These things after step count, how many character will be there, these things will be work on it. First step 1, second step 3, second these steps 5, then is the 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so like that it will increase. Okay, 5 comma 3 means third step 5 element, 7 comma 5, 7 element, fourth steps. Okay, sorry, these things will be not comma here, I think. Wait. Yes, not I minus 1, it is n comma I comma minus 1. Right, run it. Yes, it actually done. Okay, so first one is for the step count. Second one is for the number, elements of the number. J in range 1 comma I plus 1. It will increase how many items in the particular steps. How many items in the particular steps. And M, I minus 1, 0, minus 1. Middle number would be as suitable as 0. It stores primarily 0. Then this side will be minus 1. This side will be minus 1. So what M? For M in range I minus 1, comma 0, comma minus 1, it actually do the element and the decrement of left and right, both side. J will be increase the value of the element, and I, for I will be the step count, and for K will be how many items in particular step this will happen. So these things will be a better step count program. If you not memorize it, no issue, because little bit stressful. I am taking 1 day to create these 2 lines because I am also not doing that. So you can also memorize it. Just simple taking how many steps are there. Because whenever we taking for I, for J, the first thing we do for the step count. Then in between that, we do how many elements in per step and how many increment or decrement as for the questions will be happen. Okay. So you can already take these things and you can also doing that. The rest of the questions, I think leap year, palindrome, and one more questions. What about palindrome?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Armstrong number. Yes, Gayatri, tell me.
Armstrong, sir.
Armstrong.
Armstrong.
Sir, can you share this coding to us?
Okay, I'm sharing it.
Pattern.
Okay. What? Where? Okay, here. I'm sharing both code in the chat box. No issue, right?
Okay.
Where it gone? Okay, here. Okay, everyone, take it. One code gone and the other one. Okay, can anyone share me the screen for the leap year program? Anyone?
Yes, sir. I will share. Sir, I
Okay.
will share. Wait,
Okay,
wait.
just a minute. Okay, I am
Okay.
sending the codes in the chat box. Gayatri,
Okay.
share.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yes, sir. Because just one thing I am want to see from your side.
Yes, sir.
Just
Yes, sir.
one
I
thing.
will share.
Yes.
So just
Okay, in between, please make a heading on your notebook. I'm just
sir,
starting small brief. Yes, Gayatri.
sir, host disable the screen sharing.
Okay. Okay, now you share.
Okay, sir. I've done it already. So I get the user input.
Yes.
Enter here.
And run it.
Yes, sir.
One thing, Gayatri.
Sir.
In the first
Yes, sir.
in the first line,
Yes. Yes, sir.
your screen here,
Yes, sir.
you write it
3% number is not equal to
0
0.
and then then you write
Okay.
it. Understand what I am right? Everybody,
Yes.
actually what this need to be written. Zero and zero.
Sir, tell me why model 100 is not equal to 0 and model
This thing, if
And
y
by
y
the y
percent, take a bracket, before and take a bracket. Okay.
Okay.
Or
Yeah. Or
this actually line. Okay, Gayatri, you saw what I am writing on your screen? You see?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means everybody see. So actually, this is the whole line. Why? The Gayatri, what Gayatri is doing, it's good. But why this line I am writing? First of all, for this thing means here divided by 4 is equal to 0. Which year? Those year that are not century year. Okay, that means
Okay, sir.
year divided by 100 not is equal to 0. That means not century year. These year will be checked by dividing 4, or y dividing 100 is equal to 0. That means those years are century year, and checked by dividing 400 is equal to 0. Then the year will be leap year, and if not, this will be not leap year. Actually, at the time of your class, leap year programming will be, I think I am telling, will more compactful later, but not discussed then after. So this line should be very perfect. Gayatri, you run it after doing it.
One second.
Okay, 1
Sorry.
minute. Gayatri,
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
You do it. Okay, just a minute.
It,
Okay. If e y dot dot dot. Okay. This line. Add this line. Add this line. Sorry. This
Okay, sir.
cut this portion and this portion. Add these two in this space.
Sir, I can't understand.
Okay. Just
Why
a second.
person module 400 equal to 0?
sir, I
Okay.
have done the program. Can I see? My program is correct.
Yes. You share. Sandeep, share.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 1 second, sir. I stop sharing.
Okay, Sandeep, you share. You share. No issue.
Is it showing, sir?
Yes. 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 It is showing. Yes. 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 Absolutely correct. Just Sandeep, add this year here in this thing, in this portion. Okay, first of all, okay, you will write down this line. I'm just writing condition.
Okay.
I'm writing that condition year, because first it would check the year is century year or not. It will be added systematically. Okay, these things, and year percent 4 is equal to 0. Okay, all these things in a single bracket. Then or another will be there, year percent 100 is equal to 0, and year percent 400 is equal to 0. These two part you can add. Okay. Okay, fine, Sandeep, do it. Or yes. Write down after that. And okay, now take bracket very carefully. Okay, before year, before first year, there you taking one bracket, put one bracket another. Okay, okay, remove it. You can
Yes, sir.
remove it also. No.
We
Yes,
are.
yes.
Can I?
Yes. Taking another. Yes, another. Yes,
Yes.
done. Then after or.
And here also.
Yes. Okay, now remove the first line, then put it, then print. If okay, comment out. Okay, now run.
Expected syntax error.
Not syntax
Sir,
error.
if
Oh,
condition meets
0,
for
not double zero, not double zero. 100 at first,
it's not equal to 0.
at first.
If
Is
year
not.
Yeah.
Yes. Run it. Enter a year. Yes.
Correct.
First it check it is century year or not. Just like run again, Sandeep. then taking
Yeah.
1800. Run again and just put it 1800. See, it will check it is year or not. 1800. Why it is showing? Why it is showing?
Sir, first is check the
Century year.
century. and then-
Yes. But
It's a century year, sir.
but if the century year.
But it's
Okay.
not divided
Okay,
by
there is a wrong, Sandeep.
Yes,
Year
sir.
divided by 4,
Yes.
not 4. It is 400. At the end, at the end,
Okay.
at the end, at the end, at the end. End.
Okay.
No, is no, yeah,
Here
before
divided by
400. 400, yes.
400, yeah.
here.
Yes, now run. Now run. Yes, 1800. Yes, that's the answer. Okay.
Yes.
So in this way, first it will check is the year century year or not. Then it will decide accordingly divided by 4 or divided by 400. So this is the actual compact full query for the leap year. Whatever you put the year, whatever the anything program about the leap year, you can take this query. No issue. Okay.
Yes.
So I think palindrome and Armstrong number is easy. If anyone asks, I will send it code. Thank you everyone for joining today. We will start our advanced Python from next day. That will be starting NumPy. I will just give you a short brief. No need to share anything. No need to share screen anything. Just tell or just hear that NumPy is a module. Okay. Okay. NumPy is a module. Just I am sharing my screen. What we have right to use import NumPy as NP. This is the shorter version of NumPy, short version. Anyone from you, please check in your Python idle, that will be VS Code, Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm. If NumPy is not installed, okay, you can write here write this. Okay, you can install it. Requirement already. Okay, see, I have already installed it, so this message passes through me. You may need to restart the kernel to use update package. Okay, so it will update my package, previous package. Those who have not installed NumPy, please install this pip install NumPy in your system. Okay, pip install NumPy. So these things will be there. And what about actual work is happening with NumPy? NumPy is used to mathematical function after creating array. Okay, there are very important thing that we will discuss about array. It will be one-dimensional array, zero-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and three-dimensional array. Okay, we are working with array. Whenever we doing project, higher project, we are working with array. Okay, how the array is different from the list will be discussed there. Okay, arrays are actually form of the project work. We will just using these things to work with project arrays. So NumPy will be starting from the first topic, our advanced Python, then NumPy, then there will be pandas. Okay, and then matplotlib. Then there will be Seaborn. Last two options for the visualization portion, for the graphical part. NumPy is for the mathematical functions. Pandas is for as the work of finding null values, joining, maximum, average. For these things, we use basics performance in the pandas. So this is the advanced Python. After completing these four, there one more major topic I am remaining. That is file handling, exceptional file handling. Okay, it will be a vast topic. I will discuss with 2 days file handling, and everybody should be understand in a clear mind. First of all, clear all the Python basics and advanced Python, then file handling will be there. So what is a NumPy? NumPy is a module Python functions where all the Python mathematical works is done. We will working with the array 0-dimensional, 1-dimensional, 2D and 3D array, and then find out our work. Okay, let's start with the next day. That is tomorrow. We will start with the NumPy. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I think everybody query resolve about the exam questions. If anything,
Yes, sir.
any issue will be there, you can ask me in the chat box or in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.